Good morning. Hope everyone is doing well. I almost forgot we have CPR this morning for the pound, so that's going to be very interesting. Expecting pretty high numbers here. So I suppose we should get to it and do our analysis. I just want to have a little look at something quick. This whole setup looks so similar. We have a rally up the day before CPR, tapping into a key level, and then we had lower than expected numbers for CPR, and price just dropped for most of the day. Yeah, for the rest of the day, price just dropped. So they're looking at pretty high numbers for CPR. So the way I see it is, if the numbers come out lower than expected, which because the prediction is so high, it's highly likely they come out lower than expected, we could see price move down today, if that's what happened last time. Although things are setting up quite nicely for buyers, I'm not gonna lie. If we could get a closure above this resistance right here. Looking at yesterday's candle, we're quite bullish today, and we do have a little bit of range moving up to the next daily resistance. Yeah, about 50 pips. But maybe let's zoom out a little bit, because I believe the weekly is still bearish. Yeah, weekly is still bearish. It's tricky. Look at all of these wicks in this area. Yeah, it's not that clean. Daily is pretty clean. But if you're looking at yesterday's candle and you're looking at where we closed, yeah, I don't know if I would say that we closed above this support area. Look right here, we had support, resistance, and we closed basically on that area, on that level. So we could still move down today. 4 hours broken that resistance. But yeah, this is a pretty solid level here at 162,680. So we're going to mark this up as resistance, and I believe buys above here are not a bad idea at all. So I'm going to leave this level in here, maybe adjust it a little bit. Morning. Yeah, alright, let me just rather use 163 as our first target here for buys, because this range moving up, That's really clean. So bars in that range look good. Final targets for bars are going to be up here. 163,460. And yeah, for sells, I guess we need a closure below the range here. I was getting ready to go long on gold for 15 pips earlier, literally about to click buy. Gold just instantly flashed up 10 pips. Yeah, so gold was in a tight range. Yeah, and we just had that breakout. Let me remove this. Anyway, let's just finish with GJ quick. Right, so 162,216 right over here is our most recent support. But looking left, I think it would be safer to take sells below 162,080 below this resistance right here. And then, yeah, you got much cleaner candles moving down. This range from this support to this resistance is only about 12 pips. So we'll see. Probably gonna have safer sells below 162,080. And we got bars above 162,680. Yeah, I don't know what it is with gold. Sometimes we just have a lot of volume on this new 4-hour candle opening or end of the previous 4-hour. But then pre-London, like the hour before London, it's dead. London open, and sometimes it's dead as well. Good morning from Florida. Welcome to the stream. It's a pleasure having you here. Must be pretty early there. What is the time that side? 2 in the morning. Wow. We got 2 minutes until CPR. That's what it takes. Why didn't you just trade New York session? Or are you working? Okay, we'll have a real quick look at gold. So we just about tapped into last week's low. We didn't break the low, and we are pushing back up. So this is interesting. Support on the daily, never broke that support. We closed on support. Let's see if we break yesterday's high, then maybe we'll be in a better spot to start taking buys here. Because right now we've clearly missed this move up. To buy now is stupid. I'd rather look for sells of resistance than get into buys. So let's see, that's yesterday's high. I think for me it only makes sense to take buys breaking back above 1785. So that's what I'll be waiting for here on gold. Otherwise, potentially resistance to form. Got a nice clean range right there. Okay, it's 8 o'clock, so let's check the news. Come on. Oof. Numbers came out high. That's crazy. 10%. What's up, Shaker? So, yeah, looks like we're going to see GJ move up. But what can you do? The only way to have got into that would have obviously been to have buy stops above this range. And I'm not about that. Missed out on 20 pips is what it is. So let's see how this 30-minute candle closes. Maybe wait for London Open. Yeah, you rallied up yesterday like crazy. Anyway, this hourly candle did open with no bottom wick. So, you know, we had this initial push up. If we kind of just sit around this area and then get a closure above 162,685, next hourly at London Open comes down, creates a bottom wick for this hourly, and then we could potentially get in on the flip to fill the wick. That's what I'm thinking for buys here. If it drives up and it doesn't leave us with the entry, then it is what it is. Let's finish up on gold. The banks are like fucking aimbots in Call of Duty. Cheating. Yeah. You could say that. Aimbots in trading. Imagine. Infinite money. What would be the point though? What would be the point? I think part of it is falling in love with the process. One of the things I say about trading is you got to know yourself. So it takes time to learn about yourself. Learn your weaknesses, your strengths. So yeah, I wouldn't change it. Get 40 hookers and quick. Oh, Stevzo. My man. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna open Discord now. Yup, earlier. Mr. Nico. Oh, yeah? Let me just... Yeah, I can hear you. I need to just put your sound up.
Yeah, well, no. I'm just far from my shit right now.
Oh, no. I'm saying I need to turn your sound up. But it's sorted. Okay, cool. How was Asian session? Shit.
The trades turned, they turned on me, but that sell stop, the second one never got triggered, and then the first one just came back to stop loss. But I mean, it wasn't big. It was like 1%. I don't
Yeah,
even think 1%, to be honest.
that's true. Yeah, it looked like we were rejecting this key level.
To be honest, I actually entered a bar, and I think my TP just hit now on GJ. Let me just go look.
Oh, nice.
Gonna.
Yeah.
My TP is 910 on GJ. It didn't trigger, but please just go look how close.
What? 910.
Yeah.
Prices are different.
Wait, you look at minute. Look at the 1 minute candles, and then you'll see the recently.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Did this not tap your TP?
It didn't trigger, bro. I don't know how.
It just closed. It's like 10 pips.
Yeah, I did close. When I saw it didn't trigger, I just closed.
Oh, yeah.
How insane, man.
Yeah?
How insane, bro. Yes, my Forex funds in this, like,
You know the one day what happened on my Forex funds? So, I saw like something lagged. Something lagged. So, I'm looking at TradingView and then I can see price,
Same thing, bro.
price is going up. But it's still like sitting at a lower price on my Forex funds. So I entered a bar. Because the setup was there, I was looking for bars and it started to go up. So I'm like, what the fuck, okay, I'm in a bar. And then it gets into like 10-20 pips of profit. I put stops at break even. And then I'm watching TradingView and I'm watching MetaTrader. And on MetaTrader, the price drops basically to where, because it like capped on my Forex funds. It left a gap when the servers refreshed or whatever. And then, like I say, I was in like 20 pips of profit. And it just came down to fill the gap. Took me out at break even. But the thing is, on TradingView, it never dipped back down to that price. It was only on their broker. It was like spiteful to, I don't know.
You must see Justin's luck. I don't know if it's just unlucky, bro, or what it is, but his slippage and his sell stops and bar stops, they don't trigger where they're meant to, bro. Like, his shit's whack. Like, he gets slipped the whole time.
It's because he's trading news. Nah, I'm raving.
Like, he's not even trading news. Like, we entered a bar stop together, and he got in 1.3 pips under me, where we got in.
Yeah.
Like, it's just weird that every entry we take, he's different. He's like he never gets a proper bar stop or sell stop.
Oh shit. That's cuck. Because it's nice to use bar stops and that, but when you get slipped.
Right? The only thing I think is it might be because it's challenges. It's not the live.
Yeah,
so maybe it's that.
Maybe the demo server is not like as fast. I don't know.
If you're broken music, but as well. Why not, bro? What if they move the 20 pips into your direction, huh, Steph?
The thing is, like, there was obviously a glitch or something where, like I say, their server froze, and then when the feed came back up, it gapped up, price gapped up. So I think they did it on purpose to catch anyone who took advantage of that gap up, basically.
They're basically doing what America's banks do with gold, bro.
How they came for my stop loss.
They saw you enter the stop loss and they said, let's go touch it quickly.
But it was so swag. I'm watching this thing come down on MetaTrader. I'm like, what the hell? Trading view, it's not happening. Hits my stop. I was mad. I was really mad.
Where's Mr. Jared this morning?
Nah, I'm not sure.
You didn't say anything?
Aimbots. Nah. He said yesterday he had a gig. He was setting up some equipment or something.
Yeah, he probably has a, yeah.
I don't know how to feel about gold. I'm more bearish than bullish, but sales don't look amazing. And I mean, if we break yesterday's high, then buys do make sense, but I don't really like to take buys in this range here. So I just gotta wait and see. Maybe if you can tap into this level at 1782 700 and form resistance there, I may potentially take sells. Yeah, we could potentially see a wick fall here on GJ. Good morning, Lufate.
What's up, Lufate? What's your, how do I say this? Your weekly numbers. What do you think it's going to do by Friday?
Hey.
Like, where do you think GJ and Gold's going to end for Friday?
Nah, I don't know. I thought this weekly candle would be looking different right now. But yeah, I don't know. Based off the weekly time frame, it's pretty messy. Sales made sense like on Monday and Tuesday with or Monday at least, with the previous week being bearish, but now I guess we just have to wait and see. Previous daily was bullish.
What's this week? Oh, no, day. No, week. Do you think it's going to fill that week, that previous week?
What, to the upside?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we'll tap into this resistance here on the daily. 163 200, let's say.
We're probably going to make the same range at the top there as what it did.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure we'll fill this range if we get a closure above here. But that inflation is pretty bad. So we'll see what happens. Because CPI is inflation, so if numbers are like that, you know, that's not really good for the pound. Morning. That's hectic. Double digits.
Time for GJ Banks to come into play.
Maybe they're just grabbing liquidity.
I was thinking that same thing now.
We're going to push all the way down to 160 today. Let's see something. CPR. Yeah, I mean that's not
So,
good for the pound.
you see that wick on 15 minute? That's a massive wick.
On GJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is pretty big. But in the
I don't
past,
think that wick. Do
yeah.
you think it's gonna fill the wick?
Looks like the 15-minute didn't close above resistance, so I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe if the 30-minute closes above.
Oh. I don't know, bro. GJ candles to me, I don't know. I don't see a lot of wick fills. That's what gets me off.
In the past, when numbers have been higher than expected, we see price move up.
Yeah, but now we have to wait for hearts to be broken and all that rubbish.
Let's see, maybe you get a 5-minute trade here. Yeah, what's
Take it.
funny?
Tell me.
I just need a closure. Bullish 5-minute closure.
Are you gonna take it?
I've got momentum here. I think we will fall this week if this 5-minute close is bullish. Do you ever use a 3-minute time frame? Yeah, 3 minutes.
Me, bro. I live on 2-minute and 3-minute time frames.
Are you serious?
Fuck no.
Bulls.
You're gullible. You know that.
Wait, I actually need to get my trading phone.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Thanks for the subscribing. Confidence.
Thank you for subscribing. Trading with confidence.
Yeah, bro. Justin, now that he says this, you know what this monkey does, Connor?
Yeah.
Like, we'll sit in a trade, bro, and then I'll sit on a 1-minute time frame. And then because, like, we're in a chat party on PlayStation, he reacts to, like, 1-minute movements. And then it makes me think, like, what's going on in the market, bro? Then I go look, and then it's, like, nothing. Like, there's barely a move. And then it's him because he's on 1 minute. Yeah, he makes me feel bad, bro.
Moves like 5 pips. He's like, oh, gold is crashing.
Yeah, bro. Like, he goes, justice. And then I look, and then it's, like, 3 pips, 4 pips.
Yeah, that's the thing with... guess we missed that. I really wanted to see that candle close. I think I would have taken that. If it had closed, maybe, you know, around that area. But now it's just like, yeah, I don't know. Not enough range moving up. The wick is basically filled. And that is basically the reason behind wanting to take that trade. GJ to the moon. Yes, just look at this move. Yeah, 1 minute time frame. If you stay at a 1 minute for too long, it messes with you. You gotta zoom out once in a while just to get perspective. Looks like maybe a fake out here on the 4 hour.
I was about to ask you think gold's gonna drop down because it broke 1 hour low? So
That's what I'm looking at. Previous 1 hour had no top wick. Look at that.
mine's got a little baby top wick.
baby.
Little baby top wick.
Half a pip. Nah, not even. That doesn't even count. I'm just looking at this range here. If we do get a closure back within this range, there is potential to come back down to 70 and 74. But this range overall is pretty messy. I'm thinking at this point, the safest sells are going to be below 1774. But I mean, higher time frame are bearish. We've respected previous daily highs. We're just going to wait until London open to see what happens here. Yeah, we didn't quite tap into 1782, 700, that level that I was looking at. But we have formed resistance around that area. Clearly a lot of selling pressure around here. Daily, like I say, respecting the highs, so in theory we are still bearish. GJ may still give us the hourly wick full. If we could just retrace a little bit more. New hourly creates a bottom wick for this previous hourly. And then we start to drive up. Are there any Man U supporters here in the chat? I see Elon Musk says he's buying Manchester United. He made a tweet. Also, I'm buying Manchester United. You're welcome. The savior.
You should buy a Ferrari while you're at it from F1.
Yeah, true. Fuck, they need help.
A lot of help.
Now, I'll say this. Ferrari strategists are so bad at their jobs that I truly believe I could go and do a better job than them.
Bro, I truly believe almost 60% of the population can have a better idea than them. Like, common sense can tell you what to do in that race, bro. The calls they made.
Yeah.
Honestly,
I think
it's
they hate Carlos Sainz or something, cause they always mess around.
You say he's the person they don't like. That's why.
Yeah, I don't know. They just like they tell him to pit at such stupid times, give him shit tires. Like everyone else is on softs, they put Carlos in the
Yeah.
last 5 laps and give him hards. I mean,
Oh yeah, that's yeah. I mean,
like stupid shit.
that race that you're speaking about, he didn't need to put. Like he didn't need to. Like, yeah, no, they've been bad for years now. No, but Justin, this year Ferrari is ridiculous.
Yeah, this year but this year they're competitive. Like, in terms of the car is good.
Yes. And Leclerc is driving, bro.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
driving. And yet Leclerc's fucked up 3 times by himself in front, crashes or some stupid. I don't know.
What's up?
Go check out DMs. Let me mute my mic.
What DMs were on Zoom? I mean, Discord or what?
Yeah, Discord. Let's say Discord.
No, I can't see anything.
Your Instagram. You see anything there?
No, hasn't come through yet.
My Wi-Fi's messing around, bro.
Oh, I'm gonna check now. Just give me a second, guys.
Shaker not in chat today? Shaker. Justin, are you home? And Lufata, you have any trades going? I remember you said the other day, or yesterday, I think, you caught a US 30 that was real nice.
Who's that, Levate?
Lufata said, yeah, she caught a US 30 yard.
Buy yesterday.
Maybe it's a bar, yeah.
Or the day before yesterday.
Hey, I don't know, bro. Someone in our chat said they caught a 1 to 30 on US 30. So, oh no, wait, was it our chat? No,
Nah.
it wasn't our chat. I saw that. Someone said they caught a 1 is to 30. I was like, chances.
I see those guys on Instagram always posting like 1 is to 30, 1 is to 50.
Yeah, man.
I don't know.
Crazy.
I don't know.
Um,
How many
believe it.
how many losses do you have to take to actually like hit a 1 is to 30 trade?
Seems like gold's gonna make new lows now.
Yeah, 30-minute close, very bearish. But yeah, just waiting for London Open now. Gold bar during Asian. Nice. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get these GJ bars above this level. We can always do a closure above 163 on the hourly. We just need a nice bottom wick.
Oh, you're home, but you don't have the controller. Eh? Did you say bar to gold or not yet?
Did I say bar to gold?
Yeah. And GJ, did you say bar to both of them?
Nah, I wasn't gonna take a trade now on gold anyway.
Oh no, same. I'm just saying it like running. Not running, but breaking lows and shit.
Yeah, that 30-minute candle did the most. It's crazy when you get these like highly volatile days and the candles are so big. Like now that 30-minute looks big, but it's only 30 pips. Other days you get 200 pip candles. Okay, I'm gonna come back now. Just waiting for London Open. GJ is pushing up pretty nicely. We'll have to see what happens here. If we can retrace on the hourly, we could maybe still get that wick fill or a closure above 163 for buys back up to these highs. This is about a 40 pip range. Gold, we're gonna have to take it how it comes. I'm thinking of avoiding this consolidation area. Time to nos it. I think we have meeting minutes tonight as well. Yeah. FOMC meeting minutes tonight. So that'll be interesting. We may actually see some consolidation on gold today, which already looks like that is the case. So I think we may trade within some of this range here. And then once we hear from the FOMC ladies and gents, then we should have a bit more direction on gold. I think for now traders and investors are waiting to hear what they have to say. Because obviously they'll be discussing inflation and rate hikes, and that's what's been driving price of the dollar. So like I say, we could consolidate today actually on gold. Core retail sales as well. Trying to get the audio sorted out here. Inside bar and daily candles, small daily pivot range, and $14 range yesterday. Looks good. Breakout then return. What? Alright. I believe you.
What happened now? Wait.
Hold on. I didn't understand.
Andiaz.
What pair is he talking about?
Is he not speaking about GJ's daily? Because he mentioned that the GJ daily. Because we mentioned, that the GJ daily came. I don't understand what this guy's saying, bro. Maybe I'm just retarded, stupid.
Nah. So am I then. Inside bar on daily candles.
What $14 range? What?
Oh, he's talking about gold.
Looks like good breakout.
Nah, I don't understand. And I'm not gonna try and understand. I don't do the whole pivot. Inside bar. I don't know. I'ma do me. I'm not trying to force anything here on gold at the moment. You can see I've only got sells marked up within this range or below that range. Other than that, I'm taking it easy. We have FOMC meeting minutes later this evening. For me, bars make sense above 1785, but yeah, we got a lot of room to cover to get to any of these areas where I'll be willing to take a trade. So like I say, not gonna force anything. Just gonna take it slow. GJ looking interesting. Like I say, we could get that hourly wick fill. The one thing I don't like is the way this 30-minute is sitting. It's quite a scary sight if you're wanting to take buys. Maybe we wait for a 15-minute support to be formed back at 162,700. So if we can form support right here and hold above this level, then we can be looking at buys. Devzo, you're on one today. Wolf of Wall Street type of shit.
You been gymming?
Hey, I haven't. I've been lacking. What's up? I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Con, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
I can't hear Connor, bro. My mic's not muted. I can hear on his stream, he can hear me. Yeah, I can hear on the stream, he can hear me, but I can't hear him on Discord.
No, I'm not muted. Can you hear me?
Con?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Oh, no, okay.
It must have been Discord because I left and I came back. Okay, so what I'm looking at on gold is, although this area looks pretty ugly, before price left this range, we left some clean candles here for price to potentially mirror. So we'll see how this hourly candle closes. But if we can get what we want on GJ, I'd rather just stay locked in on GJ.
When do you want to go for lunch, Argon?
Um,
I mean, you don't do that shit, so let's do that shit.
Do you want to go tomorrow?
No, I have a mate coming. Dylan's coming to me tomorrow. He wants to do like an update on his PlayStation on my Wi-Fi. So I don't know. That's gonna take a few hours because it's a big ass update.
Yeah.
Maybe we can do it in next week.
Yeah, I think
Then
maybe
we'll leave
next
our
week will be
weekends open.
best.
Yeah, we'll do it in the week, man. After the stream, we can go decide and then yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh yeah, shit! I forgot Connor's paying for it. Oh no. Yeah, whenever you want, Connor, I'm ready. Whenever you want. I'm
You
teasing.
also
I'm teasing. I'm teasing.
got cash.
Uh, uh, excuse
Nah,
me.
I'm raving.
We see
I
your
said I
payouts,
would.
Connor.
I s-
Excuse me, sir. We see your payouts. Okay, boss man. We see your payouts. I'm just teasing with you, Con. We must invite Jared for lunch as well, bro. Tell him to fly down from Joburg.
Yeesh. Just for lunch.
Commit- Commitment is the key, bro.
Yeah. Let's see.
Jared's crazy, bro. He'd probably do some crazy shit like that. I won't lie to you.
Nah, you must pull through though.
I'm sure Jared will come to Justin sometime. I don't even know if Justin is here in East London or in Pretoria.
Hey, Justin. Where's he from?
Poseidon Oak.
Pretoria. Oh,
No,
that
not my
Justin.
Justin. Poseidon Oak.
Oh, yeah.
But him and Jared are mates most. That's how I met Jared. Was
Yeah,
through
I
that
remember.
Justin. Yeah, yeah. So that's what I'm saying. If Justin's here in East London, maybe Jared should make a plan, come down, and then he can meet you as well, and then we can have some. I don't know. We can chat shit for a few days.
I was so shocked the other day when you said you met Jared.
Jared.
I didn't know you met him.
I met him like yeah. They all came down. We went out. Oh wait, did we go out? But that's so long ago. Gonna like really long ago, like years. Maybe
Yes. How long have you known?
three, maybe 3, 4 years now, bro. Like yeah.
Oh,
Wait, yeah, probably 3, 4 years. Did Justin Mercedes finish your year? You're same as you, eh?
yeah, you're the same year
Or,
as me.
ooh, GG. And you matriculated when?
2018.
Yeah, bro, it's probably been 4 years because Justin went 2019 to Pretoria, and that's when I met Jared. Was that year?
Yeah, it must be. Although Justin, doesn't he have family or something that side? Like he used to go that side quite
No,
often.
no, he's got family in Durban, in Newcastle.
Oh, Newcastle.
Yeah, in Durban, yeah. Hey, yo. Yes, okay.
Hey, yo.
How much time does she have left to get on her live before we...
She's going to America in August, September, October, like just more than 2 months.
Oh, Connor, I need to ask something. When we go to, I'm leaving in November. So she has to be on a live before November, clearly. Um, what was I gonna say? Oh, Connor, when we go to Greece, bro, are you taking a wife with you?
My wife. I don't have a wife.
Yeah, no, wife. Yo, Galen's gonna move you.
Hey.
So we're going alone, Connor? Huh? You're gonna leave Kay in America, I should say.
Yeah, well, if she's in America, she has no choice, I guess.
Yeah, unless she's on a live making her own money, hey, and can fly over to us.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the deal?
Yeah, I
Okay.
think that
Yeah,
that does sound
okay.
like a deal.
Okay. So she has to be unsubscribes.
And subscribes.
I told you she's gonna move you.
I even told her I'll pay for a 10K funded account.
Connor knows how badly I want to go to Greece, so he'll never go without me. That's so, Connor. Huh? You're gonna make me third wheel in Greece, Connor. I'm joking. I'm
No, I
joking.
won't do that. We'll see how it goes. Maybe you'll have a wife by
Connor.
then too.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll take my wife with. Don't stress. I got it.
Oh, sorted.
Sorted, man. Sorted.
That is quick.
Yeah, sorted. You just needed to tell me if you're taking yours or not.
Okay. Yeah, a romantic getaway. Double date to Greece.
Oh, fuck. You want to invite Jared and his girlfriend? Oh, wow. I'm joking.
You mean
Jared
his
doesn't have one.
sister? What is Shaker saying the other day? We heard Jared's sister in the background. Shaker's like Because I asked Jared, is that your chick? And he says, nah, it's his sister. Sheikh says, she sounds scary. Uncle
Yeah,
Ryan
but
is...
Shaker likes to look for trouble, bro. That's why.
Yeah, he loves it.
He's actually not here today. I wonder why. Probably working,
I
maybe.
saw him say sup earlier. Yeah, he was here. Said good morning. Okay, we've got a minute until these candles close. If we drop down, form a bottom wick for this previous hourly, and then potentially get entries on the flip to fill the wick here. That's what I'm looking at here on GJ. Gold, if you can close below 1777,7777, yeah, we could potentially have sold some gold as well. We may not come down all the way and create a bottom wick for that previous hourly, but I would definitely like to see a bottom wick being formed, because I'd like to get in on the flip of the hourly. And in order for us to get in on the flip, I'm going to need a pretty steep bottom wick. Okay, this is looking good. Five-minute support. Yeah, that may be a bottom wick. Gold also looking solid. Closure below, top wick being formed. So you could be looking at sell stops right there. I'd like to lock in on GJ. Morning. I don't want to do this 2 trades at a time thing today. The lucky pip number today. Yeah, I think so. I wanted to see a steeper bottom wick on GJ. That's why I haven't got involved here yet. But we tapped into that most recent resistance. Look at the 30-minute as well. So I'm just thinking about stops. I said I wanted a steeper wick. Haven't got it yet. So nothing on GJ right now. Gold looks good. I wanted to say sell stops there on the break of the low, but like I say, I'm locked in on GJ. And this range, originally I wanted to stay out of it, so we're just going to focus on GJ for now. If we can come back below 1774, that's where I'll take sells here in gold. Yeah, the thing is here on gold, look at this resistance here as well. It's just not all that clean, so if price moves down here, I'm not going to feel too bad for missing this. The GJ hourly candle closed exactly the way I wanted it to, so we just got to see a slightly steeper bottom wick and then a break of the highs. Yeah, we're rejecting that support. So I'm going to have bar stops here on the flip. Not on the flip, excuse me. On the break of this high. At 162.840. Just account for spread. Stops below the previous 30 minutes for about 16 pips. Gee, pretty small stops.
You hear the garden service?
Yeah?
Can you hear the garden service by me?
Nah.
Okay, alright. That's why I was muted the whole time and they were like making a noise.
I'm gonna have stops at 162.675 and looks like we're about to get activated, yeah. I'm in. Spread triggered me in.
What is your entry there?
162.835. Shaker is quiet today. What's going on? I don't know.
Ja, Shaker is daarom stil vandag. Wat gaan aan? Yes, better.
What does Darum mean?
Gold is doing the most. Wow. Connor.
Yeah.
So Justin's in my ear, bro. On PlayStation, and he looks up at his laptop and sees your TP. All I hear is, yes, sis, Connor, where are you going?
What do you mean?
The TP, you just saw the blue, bro, on his entire
Oh,
laptop screen. Oh, fuck. Oh, no.
BE point 162. Yeah, this is not looking good. 925. Update the pip count. It's updated.
I mean, that's a nice touch from the 15 at the bottom on the support, so...
5 minute looks pretty good. Got support here. This strong 5 minute candle off of support. All these wick rejections to this level.
What
This
was
new
your
5
initial...
minute. Yeah.
What was your initial bar stop, bro? What was the entry meant to be?
162.840. I put it on the screen. I didn't type it out, but on the screen it was 840.
Okay, I see.
Prices are a bit different on My broker, so I had them at 8.35, but I think spreads jumped up. Do you guys ever have that thing where you're sitting in drawdown and just like scrolling through all the time frames to try and validate
Mm.
your trade?
I
Come
think
on, come on.
every person does that. Like, look for a reason why it's gonna keep going the
Yeah,
direction you see. Like, you found the setup, you have all your reasons, but yet you still go look for more reasons the moment you're going to draw down. It's always like
yeah,
that, or for me at least. I don't change it though. I just look at different time frames.
yeah. No, same. Also, just
Mm.
scroll through the different
Yeah,
time
for sure.
frames. Okay, we've created a 15-minute support. So this looks alright. I would have liked that 5 minutes close bullish.
What brand is this cap that you have on, Connor? What is that logo?
Billabong.
Oh. I could see when you came closer. Pretty a fire little like block there that it has. Like, it looks dope.
Lock. What?
The block, the like
Oh yeah.
logo from the Billabong logo.
15, no top wick. So
That's
I'm
what I'm looking at too.
expecting this candle to flip, but looks like we may come down and form a steeper bottom wick for the hourly. Let's just see how we're gonna respect this support. Yeah, looks like we're gonna hit stops, eh? There we go. Stops hit. 18 pip stop. Watch this candle flip and drive up. I'm gonna try again, guys. The trade is still valid. That is the wick I wanted to see originally. So we're gonna have a bar stop on the break of the previous 15-minute high at 162.850. Let's see. Stops are gonna be a bit bigger this time. About 30 pips. Fuck. Okay. I have to do a market execution here. I didn't get my bar stops in time, but market execution. Mm. In terms of the break-even point, I actually want to see us tap into the top of this wick at 163. That's when I'll go break-even. Like I said, stops are about 30 pips. I've got my stops at 162.540. I had to do a market execution, got a slightly better entry, 162.800. But yeah, I'll stick with the bar stop that was on screen. Naked HD. Sorry, I've been muted. I was just saying, you know, it happens in trading that sometimes you get stopped out and then price just continues in your favor. But if the trade is still valid, you know, if you have confidence in the setup, give it another shot. But there's a difference between over trading and giving your trade a second chance. A second chance is fine, but a third chance, nah, not gonna happen. Gold moved down really nicely within that range, actually. Okay, GJ, I'm going break even. Sitting around 15 pips. Let's see, break the hours.
Connor?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, bro. I wanted to tell you, what do you think about a sell stop at 1773.90 on gold? But it's gonna get triggered now anyway, so. Could you hear me, Connor?
Yeah, I can hear you, sorry.
Oh. Sorry, no, I think my alpha just dipped as well, so that's what I'm asking. My
So
TP at
stop.
160. I haven't set anything. I'm just seeing that level, and I'm thinking if gold breaks that, it's kind of clean to fill the lock. If you look on a 15-minute, you'll see there's like 2 candles that broke out hard, and then one big ass wick.
I just want to see us close below. There's 3 minutes. And then that's looking clean. Still in it here on GJ.
Something I wanted to ask you: do you sell stop or bar stop above the candle body or the wick? Because I notice obviously it's wick to break the low or the high, but do you ever take it off the candle?
Sometimes. It depends on the scenario. If like the hourly setup is good for a flip, let's say, and your previous 30-minute was bearish. No, I'd have to show you. It kind of depends. But I prefer bar stops on the break of the highs, sell stops on the break of the lows.
Okay, well, I see you. Yo, 777 is the lucky pip number today. Is that man saying we're making 777 pips today? I mean, I'll be very happy, bro. Let me tell you.
My TP at 160, 400. Yeah, I'm gonna have mine at 163, 450. That's my final TP. If we can move back into this 163 level, I'll secure a little bit. But it tapped into break even and it just dipped, so I didn't want to secure anything just yet. And then you got a daily resistance at 163, 174. So that's going to be a tricky area as well. I'm concerned this 30-minute creates a bottom wick. Just drive, GJ. No bottom wick, let's go. Yeah, gold rejected that support, didn't close below. Fuck it. I'm gonna close half right here at about 15 pips. I have confidence for us to drive up here, but I wanted to just take a little bit of profit off the table there since we took a small loss just now. And the 30 minutes, I was concerned we could get a bottom wick. So I didn't want to get stopped out at break even. I'd rather just take a little bit of my profit off the table and yeah, keep moving.
Con,
Yeah,
sorry if I'm not talking and I'm quiet. I'm just doing my stuff, if you put it that way.
that's chilled.
So what we
No
spoke about, yeah,
stress.
I don't want to be saying that stuff to you.
Yeah, no, I understand.
Okay, well,
Short, bro. It's still nice to have uh, another voice here on the stream.
yeah, I'm gonna be chilling here in the Discord the whole time, bro. So like, whenever you want to speak to me, just say Nico, and then yeah, I'll
Oh,
hear
yeah.
you. Uh,
What do you think about gold to fill this week? I'm not gonna get an entry here, but
do you want me to tell you my honesty, or
yeah, I want to know what you're doing.
I'm in on a sell? That's why I don't want to talk.
Oh, yeah. I thought maybe that was the thing.
Uh, so, but I'm not grabbing a lot. So that's the thing, and I've been scalping it. So that's
Yeah.
why I don't want to say it. Uh, but Justin's scalping kind of with me, so that's why as well. I'm teaching him bad habits.
Hey.
I'm joking. Let me go. Cole's doing its thing. Let me go.
Oh, yeah. Come on, GJ. We managed to break the highs, but yeah, as you can see, we are somewhat rejecting. So let's see if we can hold that level and drive up here. This 4 hour actually broke the previous 4 hour lows, so that looks pretty decent for when we get a closure below here for price to continue moving down. Looks like we're struggling at that resistance. Yeah, here we go. If we break the high, the current candle highs, I'm sure we'll get a nice little move up. Maybe secure another 25% as we move into that daily resistance area. TP at 163,450. If you took the first trade and you're in this trade, I'm sitting at just above break even for the day. So if you want to call it a day, feel free to close your trade. What's up, Gamer Zone? Welcome to Trader Zone. So at 163, 150, I'm going to secure another 25%. This line I've marked up right here. Then I'm going to leave 25% running. In fact, I might even close it a little bit more. Leave a small runner to targets. Just cover the loss for the day and see how the runners play out. Looks like we're having a hard time at this resistance, but there's 15 minutes about to close. So if we can close above 163, we should pop up on the next 15. Where should I stop profit? I opened 160 and still is going. Should I close my trade? Nice trade, bro. Nice trade. I mean, you kind of need to have an exit plan when you enter a trade.
I think the best plan would be maybe let him put a stop loss somewhere and have a TP at like your TP,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah, that's a pretty good idea to actually put stops in profit. So maybe put your stops below this current hourly candle. Okay, because if price is going to move up to 163,450, that's a pretty solid resistance. We shouldn't break this current hourly candle. So you could put stops at like 162,650 or 162,600 and then have a take profit at 163,450 kind of thing. Or maybe close half.
it's basically securing like over 2,000 pips, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, fuck, may as well just close the trade.
But honestly, I'd also think that. But I mean, if he really does want more, I think, like you say, stop losses at that 162,600, like the bottom of that hour, and literally your TP 163,400. And I mean, either way it goes, he's either just making another 1,000 pips or he's just securing. So
Yeah, well, I don't know if that counts as a closure above. It's kind of on that resistance. But let's see. Yeah, I mean, if you know, like 300 pips in profit.
ugh, yeah, I said 2K. Let's remember and then what will change. 163. Just remember, eventually GJ's gonna have to make the turn. So even if you break those levels, you might get faked out or it might resist there, but it's gonna come back eventually. It's not gonna keep driving up. What's the ha,
Well,
Connor,
for
on
now,
GJ?
I hope it does. The high.
Yeah, like what is the ha? Like he's like 163,400 is your TP, but like what's higher than that?
Yeah, it gets messy on the daily. There's a lot of wicks in that area. Let's see.
No, no.
Yeah, above 163,760, 163, 800. There you got pretty good range moving up.
I mean, if he really wants to push it, he can go for the 164. But
Yeah,
I mean, he
just beware.
this
The
is like a
last
lot.
weekly candle was also bearish. One sixty is a strong resistance. If it breaks this resistance, then how much it will going up? I don't know. I
Yeah, that's
really
why I'm
don't
saying
know.
164, bro. That's why I
But
said like look at the higher for 164 basically. Like if he really wants to keep going higher and higher, like 164 is probably the next. After
yeah,
that, bro, I don't know. Just take your TP away in that point.
Yeah.
Connor, you know what? Never mind. Never mind. Never mind.
Oh, 15-minute close below, yeah, on gold. What's up? Hey, don't never mind me.
Trust me. Let me never mind you on this one, bro.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll type it to you now in Discord. No, wait, I can't in Discord. Send me a WhatsApp quick. Or DM.
– 15 minutes got a nice bottom wick now. If we can break the highs, I'm sure we'll pop up here. I'm certain. Got 10 minutes left of the hourly. You definitely want to see us close above 163 if we want any sort of runners here. So far, so good. Gold. Yeah, 2 trades already today. We'll see how gold closes, but I'm not going to force anything. Hey man, you're waiting for gold sales below 1774 400? Yeah. 1774 420 to be exact. I like the way this candle's sitting right now. Sell stop on the break of the low. Obviously after the candle closes. So yeah, let's see. Guys, I'm going to be right back. Like I say, looking to take off another 25% here at 163.150. Yeah, with a 5 minute close like that, we look good to drive up here. Last few minutes of the hourly. Two minutes left of the hourly. Comes down to the last minute. Are we gonna close above? Looking good. Yeah, that looks solid. Nice hourly candle closure there. So yeah, we're just gonna pop up, and I'm gonna close another 25% right here. So hourly has no bottom wick, so just gonna take advantage of that little pop up, close a little bit more profit, and let runners run here. I would expect this hourly to come back down from a bottom wick, but based off that closure, I'm still anticipating us to drive up to our targets here. So secure about 27 pips there. Yeah, gold is a tricky one. We pushed down with no top wick, so we wouldn't have got an entry there anyway. Stops would have been 25 pips, and our first target is only 16 pips away. And this level at 1772 is a pretty strong support. So tricky. But if we had entries there, I would have probably gone break even at 1772 and left runners into the next daily support. That would have been my approach there. I don't think I'm going to hang around and see how this trade plays out. This could play out throughout the rest of the day, this move up. But secured 75% already, so majority of the position is closed. Got stops at break even, and yeah, just about made up for that original loss. Now whatever is running is just profit for the day. So I'm going to call it there. And if you guys want to stay updated with how I'm managing my position, feel free to join the Discord group. The link is in the video description, and I'll keep you guys updated with what happens here. In case I close early, you know, if you guys want to know how I'm managing the position. Since this is a live stream trade, you know, I understand some guys may be piggybacking, copying, whatever. So I'm sure you guys would like to know how I'm managing the rest of this position.
You dipping out?
Yeah, that's gonna be it.
Okay, cool. I'll check you.
Check you, man. Chat later. Cheers. Thanks again for joining, guys. Appreciate it. See you tomorrow. Take it easy. Remember, we got Fed meeting minutes tonight, so gold may be slow for the rest of the day. Cheers, guys.